Tech news, it's brought to you by Nerds in a Flash. The National Transportation Safety Board held a hearing yesterday to determine the probable cause of a fatal 2018 crash involving a Tesla driver's assistant system, Autopilot. Now, Autopilot can help Tesla vehicles change lanes and maintain speed and safe distances, but drivers still need to pay attention. Before the crash, a 38-year-old driver was playing a video game, and it seems he just didn't see it coming. Tesla claims the car's autopilot engage have fewer accidents than the national average, but a 2019 Insurance Institute for Highway survey, it also found that drivers overestimate the autopilot feature. They're too far comfy, throwing their hands, off the wheel and behind their head in some cases. And this is not just a Tesla problem. The NTSB's chairperson, Robert Sumwalt, he blamed the auto industry and regulators for failing to protect consumers. He said car makers that have installed driver assist systems have not done enough to make sure that their drivers are keeping their eyes off of Reddit when they're on the road. Now, Sumwalt is skeptical about the regulators that won't even listen to the NTSB's recommendations given their misguided and hands-off approach in the past. Sumwalt does have a point here. The industry can't even agree on what to call self-driving features, let alone how to regulate them. Politicians and regulators have called out Autopilot specifically for its misleading name.
Yeah, this person was an absolute maniac for doing that. I mean, they're not there with that technology, and I don't care.
Not that autopilot feature. There is a full autonomous feature with Tesla that does work very well.
Well,
this is the autopilot feature. And I think the NTSB is right. We got to get a clear definition of what autopilot is before we start selling it to the consumer.
Clearly, you had somebody who didn't get it playing video games. I was driving down Mopac the other day past a Tesla, and both the driver was driving with his hands behind his head. Relaxing, looked like might have even been taking a bit of a nap, and it was kind of disconcerting. And I chose to keep my distance from that car, but it seemed to be going along just fine.
638 got that story on my LinkedIn page at Todd Jeffries.